Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever to use front wipers. Simply push the lever downwards to use it in mist mode. Or push the top part of the lever downwards again to use it in slow mode, that you can also adjust. Then low and high mode. This white bar shows you the level of automatic front wipers. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.